your beautiful children with genetically modified foods and the cancer-causing vaccines. Let's not even mention the fluoride tap water that Harvard came up with the study is reducing IQ. Harvard came out with the results that prove the average tap water, the drinking water, and countless children's baby water, bottled water with fluoride, all of your mouthwash and your toothpaste products, they have a cytotoxin, a binary chemical weapon added to reduce your fucking IQ. I mean, why am I the only one that seems to be outraged? Wouldn't you be pissed if they turned off your cable? Wouldn't you be pissed if they turned off your Dancing with the Stars? Or something like that? What if they turned off Xbox Live? Wouldn't you be outraged?
PlayStation Network.
Killing your family!
BSN, man.
Fluoride actually comes from nuclear waste armament. It's a byproduct. Phosphate fertilizers are the second in the equation, and then out of that comes fluoride. It comes from nuclear weaponry.